Ngaphambi kokuba imantshi ikhiphe isinqumo sebheyili, umholi we-Operation Dudula uNhlanhla uDlamini ucele ukuba anikwe ithuba lokuxolisa ngendlela agqoke ngayo.
I would like to apologize, Your Worship, to yourself and the court at large that I'm seeing you dressed rather too casual, and I don't want anyone to think that I'm not taking the court seriously.
Imantshi ikhipha isinqumo sebheyili ithe uNhlanhla kufanele angasifulathele isifundazwe angaxhumani nommangali ngisho nasezigudleni zokuxhumana.
The further conditions to your release on bail, that you do not have any contact with this complainant, a certain Mr. Victor Ramorafi, in any manner pending this case. And I always say, when I say any manner, I really mean any manner. You do not send anybody there, do not communicate with him in any electronic means, telephone, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever you can think of. You are not supposed to communicate with this complainant. If there's any complaint about that, the court may inquire about that, and if the court finds that you breach this condition, your bail may be cancelled.
Okhulumela iNPA uphindi Mjonondwana uthi abazange basiphikise isicelo sebheyili sikaDlamini.
We do confirm as the NPA that we did not oppose his release on bail, as we had no grounds to oppose bail. Hence, the court then set bail at an amount of 1,500 rands.
Ngaphandle kwenkantolo amalungu e-Operation Dudula angeneme yabebhikisha efuna ukuba kukhululwe umholi wabo.
uNhlanhla has stood shoulders above heads or heads above shoulders in the whole of Soweto. He has stood to stop a civil war that was imminent in the country.
Kusenjalo iphini likaMengameli we-Patriotic Alliance uKenny Kunene ukhale kakhulu ngendlela ekuboshwe ngayo uDlamini, wagxeka kakhulu umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema ngokuba nesandla ekuboshweni kukaDlamini.
Malema has said foreigners must find creative ways to get into South Africa illegally. So Malema promotes criminality. Nobody's arresting him. Malema has said he will die with the Zimbabweans. We will talk about his interests in Zimbabwe and why he is prepared to die with Zimbabweans.
Icala lakhe lihlehlisele umhlazi ngamashumi 27 kuNhlaba.